These are the top 3 character strengths of mine. The first one is spirituality, which is part of the transcendence virtue. Second one is curiosity, which is the wisdom virtue. And third is the appreciation of beauty and excellence, which is also part of the uh, transcendence virtue. I have a tendency with the spirituality part of counting my blessings in day-to-day life, always. I have always been curious. I love asking the big 4 W's and 1 H: who, what, when, where, and how something is or what it is. I like to make sure that the people I work with know that I appreciate everything that they do for me. I was a bit surprised that spirituality was my strongest virtue. And at the end of the day, I always thank my team for everything that they do for me and my store. And another way to use it, one of my virtues in the future, will be I probably will thank the universe for guiding me to the college and beyond.